I honestly don't even know where to start this video because I'm in disbelief. I can't believe that in just 3 weeks, today is 3 weeks, that I've earned $23,000 from this daily pay business. I'm still in awe. Like, people ask me, is this for real? I'm like, I honestly hardly believe it's for real, but it is. I mean, I've showed you my PayPal account, I've showed you my Stripe account in other videos. And if you want to see them, just scroll back. I do post, but I'm not going to do that every single day. But if you've been looking in the online space, I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada. So yes, this is something you can do as a Canadian, which is awesome because I know up here in the northern country, we are a little bit limited than what the US can do. So if you've been looking, you're a Canadian, I'm 55, and I needed something that was doable. I like this, that it gives me a 2-hour income producing activities each day because it gives me some structure. I know exactly what I need to do. And I do that, and this is what's generating the income. Blows me away. And like, let's say you even made half that amount. If you made half that amount, what would that do for you? Right? Like, my dream was to make an extra $1,000 a month. I've made like 2 years worth of that dream in 3 weeks. I can't stress enough the amazing potential that's here, my friends. I needed money for our retirement. We got our financial act together late, so I needed to create income, but I wanted to leave my 9-to-5 when I had my grandkids, so I had more time. But sadly, I haven't been able to find anything that actually worked until now. Really, really worked. I can honestly see the potential for this leaving. I'm not going to just leave my 9-to-5 in 3 weeks. But still, I can see it helping. I can see the potential. I can see this happening for me in the future. And if it can happen for me, a grandma, I'm no extra special person. I'm just a regular person that knows how to follow instructions. So if that's you, check it out. Put yes, and I will send you the information. I'll send you the blueprint that I'm following. You can watch the webinar. We're actually having another live one this Friday, but you can watch the replay from last week and just see. Guys, information is knowledge for you to make the best decision for you. I don't know if it's a good fit for you, but you will. Check it out for yourself. Drop yes. I'm going to get my license renewed today because it's honestly expired 2 years ago. Shh, don't tell anybody. All right, we will see you hopefully on the inside. If you have questions, please respond to my email. And remember, I will never direct message you. If somebody's doing that looks like me, it's a troll. All right, see you later.